Hi friends, uh, today I am going to record this video in English as this is special request from few of my Chennai friends from here. They are not understanding Marathi. So today this will be in English. So if any mistake, please forgive me. So let's start with the recipe. Today we will make spinach puris, what we call in Marathi as palak puri, spinach puris. So let's see the ingredients first. Spinach, one bundle, ginger, garlic, 2 chilies, 1 tablespoon lemon, red chili powder, turmeric, salt. First we will on the gas put half cup of water, limited water, because this is the same quantity of water we will be using for kneading the dough. Half cup of water, in that we have to put the spinach. Saute it for 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 minutes it is done. Switch off the gas. Let it cool down for just few minutes. Then add ginger, garlic, chili, and the boiled spinach in a grinder. We have to grind it, make a soft paste out of it. After putting this, we have to put 1 tablespoon of lemon. Okay, just a little bit of lemon I have put. Lemon. And we will grind this now. In a vessel I took 3 bowls of wheat flour. In that we will add a little turmeric, chili powder as per taste, because we have already put 2 or 3 chilies in the spinach thing, so it depends upon the taste. Then little coriander, and then finally the spinach mixture. See, this is the consistency. And then finally salt as per taste. Salt as per taste. Now mix it properly and knead it into a dough. Mostly there is no need of additional water inside it, as we have already put boiled spinach in the same water. That water is enough for it, but if you need, you can definitely put a little bit of water. See to it that the dough is not very soft. It should be a moderate kind of thing. After it is done this much, put a tablespoon of oil inside it, and again knead it. The color is very nice. We have almost done it. Now again a little bit of oil we have to put on it, apply to it, and keep this aside for 30 minutes. I just applied it, and now I will just keep it for 30 minutes. After half an hour, the consistency of the dough is, see, it is this much soft, not very hard and not very soft. In a kadai, take oil and lighten the gas, on the gas. Meanwhile, we will make small balls out of the dough. Just make small balls out of it. This is a little small. Oh. Okay, wait. I'm just giving you in 5 minutes. This small balls. Take. Now the balls are ready. We will take this and now we will roll it properly. For this rolling, we will need a little bit of oil. Avoid using flour. Oil is best for puris. The consistency of the puri, the thickness of the puri should be this much so that it can blow. It can make a proper round. Now I have fastened the gas. So that the oil will boil properly and fast. You should check the temperature of the oil in between. The color of the puris is very nice, and it is just because of that palak, spinach, which is very healthy also for kids. Now the oil is almost done. We will start frying the puris. Now you can see the oil is already hot. Now we will put a puri inside it. It started. While frying the puris, we have to medium the gas. Wait, it is very hot. Beta, it is very hot. See, if you medium the gas, the color will not change. The color will remain green as it is. While frying, the temperature of the oil is the most important part. So it should not get very low temperature, or it should not be very hot. It should be moderate. Nicely they are coming up. This is how the kids enjoy this puris. It is very nice, tasty, and very nice for the kids. So now this delicious puris are prepared. You can give it to your kids like this. For us, we can have it with either peanut chutney, with ketchup, or anything you wish. Thank you.